Yeah.
Wait, going to Waterland has nothing to do with the serious study of water.
Sure it does, Arn. We could think about a mighty river as we're riding the Flumerang. This brochure shows the new storm cloud simulator they just built.
And we could appreciate rainfall in the raindrop parachute ride.
But what about our report? It's all about how we use waterworks to get clean water where we need it, when we need it. See?
Oh, it really is quite wonderful, Arnold.
But compared to Waterland, it's dry, dry, dry. Water's no fun unless you're in it.
Oh, water. What goes around comes around. A veritable merry-go-round of moisture. To the bus!
Waterland! Yay! Wow! Look at the rain gauge. It really rained a lot.
Yeah, more than 2 inches in the last hour.
According to my research, that's a school record for rainfall. Come on, you guys. We're going to study some serious water.
Wanda, do you have the keys you borrowed from me? Oh, never mind. I have a spare key somewhere in here, I think. Here it is. And here we go!
Wait a minute. I have a hunch. This is not the way to Waterland. This is a field trip!
What happened?
Welcome to the real Waterland.
Where everything is water. Even us.
I'm not getting wet.
As I always say, Arnold, never hurt anyone.
Whoa, this is awesome.
I hope we're not going to stay in this rain gauge all day. That would be boring.
And we wouldn't want that.
Is it just me, or is it getting really warm?
Miss Frizzle, what happens when water gets warm? Do I really want to know?
Gosh, I'm rising into the air. Whoa! See ya! Ralphie! Is it just you? Or are we all floating into the air?
When water is warmed by the sun, it evaporates.
You mean we're evaporating? Help! At least being water meant we stayed on the ground. I want to be water again.
We still are water, Arnold. When water evaporates, it turns into water vapor. It's a gas, Arnold.
We've been vaporized.
I get it. First we were a liquid, then we became a gas. Still don't like it.
Oh, it's getting cold up here. Hey, I'm not vaporizing. Look at my hair. I'm turning into tiny droplets.
That's because we're changing back into a liquid. We are condensing. Water is as water does.
Miss Frizzle, you turned into a cloud.
Oh, isn't this heavenly?
Wow, I never knew a cloud was water, too. We're moving. This is fantastic.
It's not easy being a cloud. Now where are we going?
Wherever we're going, it looks to me like it's not our choice.
As someone once said, clouds are the playful fancies of a mighty wind.
Does that mean that clouds go wherever the wind takes them?
In a word, Keisha,
Yes! Oh, bad. Oh, bad. Bad, bad, bad.
Then we could end up anywhere.
bright as rain, Arnold. Water goes everywhere.